We're here at the 2025 Virtual Hangar User Workshop. We've got folks from around the globe here to collaborate, work together, push the envelope of what is possible and what is beneficial in DoD immersive learning.
Collaboration has been the best part. That is the only way we're going to be able to go to a system that's collaborative between services. We need to be able to understand what are some of the challenges, having more communication to solve problems and to see where we are going.
XR in a education environment could really solidify everything that we need in the future. We're always talking about how we need to train faster, train better, while also maintaining that faster mentality. XR is a complete bridge to that gap.
While we're here working together, at the end of the day, we're all on the same team. We're all part of the Department of Defense. We're here to protect our country, and the first way we're doing that is by building this platform so that we can train the next generation.